STEMLab is a learning intelligence platform. What this means is it brings new capabilities for the educators to improve the learning outcomes. Now, a very important fact is what you cannot measure, you cannot improve. So, STEMLab provides the measuring tools for the core competencies that are mentioned in the CBSE 2026 new education format and also compliant with the 21st century global learning frameworks of UNESCO, OECD, and others. No, STEM Lab has a lot of moving parts, and each has a role to play in a workflow driven architecture. One moving part is the pedagogy engine that is designed to create structured lessons as per new education format. The STEM Lab addition to it is hands on interactive virtual labs for visual concept understanding of every concept, real life application of these concepts, HOTS questions, AI driven adaptable learning paths, direct mapping with learning outcomes. Similarly, there are other moving parts like the assessment engine, which has the capability to create psychometric tests for lessons to measure the competencies. Another moving part measures the well being of the learner all along. Likewise, there are various other moving parts doing their job. Not at all. It's not an LMS, as it's not content focused, it's outcome focused. It's a learning intelligence system and not an LMS or education ERP. The pedagogy engine is intelligent enough to decide which learning workflow is best suited for a certain concept or topic to realize the learning outcomes, as one learning approach does not fit all. Sure, some concepts need learning to start with a curiosity trigger. For example, why does a straw appear bent in water? You let the learner observe the phenomena first. Then you slowly get the learner immersed into refraction of light concept. Another concept might need a different approach. Which one float or sink in water? Lemon or orange? This lesson of density and buoyancy needs to start with a prediction trigger, then comes observation, explanation, and finally reflection. I can give you one more example. Some topics like friction, how does an object slide in different surfaces, will follow a different approach. Now, this lesson journey should start with a micro lab experiment with observation, recording, and inference drawing, followed by explanation and reflection. This develops critical thinking. There are many such structured learning workflows inbuilt into the pedagogy engine, each suited for a specific topic. And this is not LMS. STEMLab is fundamentally an alignment to the new CBSE education guidelines and the 21st century learning framework. No overhauling of existing infrastructure is required for the schools. It is designed to empower teachers, students, school management with least friction as it just plugs into the existing system. Vision is simple. Don't want to stay as the tech service provider for a school. Want to be the DNA of every school, powered by STEMLab.